Hi everyone. So I wanted to show you something special that I just received, and I learned something new in the process. So I ordered directly from travelerscompanyyusa.com for the first time. And I didn't realize that if you order from them directly, you get one of their special edition issues. Now, I don't know if you have to buy a certain amount in order to receive this, or if it's with every order, but this one came with mine. Now, a lot of the items that I ordered, they are items that you can only get if you go to a Travelers Factory store. But for now, through August 31st or until supply runs out, they are selling these on the website on travelerscompanyyusa.com only through August 31st. So my guess is that's because the stores in Japan are still closed right now. Especially I know Narita Airport one is closed. I'm not sure about a lot of the others, but several of them are closed or very limited because of the virus at this time. So I wanted to take advantage of that and go ahead and get these ordered while I had the chance. Usually you have to pay like an Etsy seller to get this imported at a higher cost plus shipping, but since it was directly from Travelers Company and I ordered over, I think it was like order over $35 and it was free shipping, I got free shipping on them. So it's like you're just paying for the items themselves. So let me go ahead and unwrap these so you can see them better. So this is the first one here, and you can see it is inlaid wood. These wood squares are inlaid in there, and if you want, you can pause the video to read what each one of these have. But you see there's that little hole, so you're able to put your string of your traveler's notebook directly through that hole, and it will lay flat on your wallet or on your journal or on your passport, whatever one you want to put it on. So that was the lighter wood. This one was a lot darker than I even expected. It's still beautiful, but you can see the difference between the two. So I am glad I got both because, you know, especially like a light camel, this would be a nice contrast on a camel one, whereas this one would look good, I think, on the dark brown or the olive or the black. This would really stand out in contrast. They are both very lightweight, and they're both unique in their own way. So they're both made by this artisan Yuta Shimizu. So this particular design is also known as, I want to say plum. My mom has a brooch. No, I can't believe I tore that. My mom has a brooch with this design. And my grandma used to make these by hand. It was a hobby of hers, but you can see it's actually 3 cords and it's tied into this special knot. It's a type of nylon cord, and it's an actual art form that Japanese women learn over the years, and there's so many different ways that these can be tied onto cards and other things, and can be worn as jewelry, earrings, brooches. You'll see this design in a lot of places in Japan. All right, so I did a better job of getting this one out of the wrapping. This is really pretty because I don't know if you can see it in this light, but this is actually, this outer ring is navy. So this is navy, brown, and gold. So this will go really well with the navy, the dark blue traveler's notebook, as well as the passport edition. I think that's the one I'm going to pair this with. My current wallet is that navy edition, so we'll put it on there and see what that looks like. So this is my navy everyday carry wallet. It's the blue passport size by Travelers Company. You see it there. And then I've carried this one since 2019, as you saw in my last video. And look how beautiful this pairs. So that's the one going on this notebook. So I'll undo that strap and take some close-up pictures so you can see what it looks like. So just a tip with this before I close it. This Mizuhiki charm definitely goes one way or the other. So you'll want to make sure that it's going to lay this direction without the ends showing. So kind of play with your elastic a bit before you tie your knot. So like right now, I know this is going to go the right way. So I'm going to tie my knot right here, just like it is, so that my charm lays flat the correct direction. Otherwise, you'll be frustrated that it doesn't lay the right way. So just kind of play with your charm a bit and make sure it lays the way you want to before you go and cinch up your knot. And if you're still not sure, just leave it a little bit loose. Leave it a little bit loose and you can test it out again before you really cinch that knot down, and you'll save yourself a lot of time and frustration. So I know I can go a little bit tighter, so I'm going to pull it in and then I just tighten it back and forth a little bit. There we go. And now I am on there. This one is so pretty. I really love this particular knot with the blue passport notebook.